Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend, ready for an amazing weekend. Today, this is the Friday freebie. It's a free printable. It's a lovely floral background, large scale floral background. Now, I know on I can see through my lenses, I can see that this come across pink, but it's more like a yellow undertone than pink as a background. I love it. It's one of my favorite that I have designed this year so far. It reminds me of the tapestry, you know, your sofas, and yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it. Now, this page here is been designed to showcase one of my popular books, digital papers books called Amber and Lace. Now, Amber and Lace is and I put it on the screen now, is a lovely digital papers collection with all yellow tones. There is a lot of flowers, a lot of yellow, quite shabby with a bit of a vintage touch. There are pictures framed, there is flowers, and also is full of ephemera. So there is tags and everything that you need if you want to create like a yellow themed journal, card making, some scrapbooking layout pages. So my digital papers are very versatile and you can use them to create everything. Now, once you download the papers, you can print it all together. Let me show you one of the books I've got here. Like how I use my book is I print them all and I print them front and back like that. And then I just literally tear a page. Okay, so this is the Shabby Orchestra book. And of course, the first page, you just put your name. That's the QR code that takes you straight to my website. A little note about myself, and then all the digital papers. And then on the back, the last pages are all my books. So if you want to collect them, they're all the different books I have designed. I love them. And all my books are full of ephemera. So they're not just backgrounds and everything. Okay. Now that you saw everything, let me showcase how you get your hands on this lovely page. As usual, guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group. And again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very, very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like my freebies. Yes, big thumbs up for Friday freebie, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube gets a little notification and it really support my channel, and it's completely free. And just a little love, it's a love back. It's a little thank you back for what I do. And yeah, your support, guys, it's priceless. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.